All right. So as mentioned, I did grab. We got this one. Now this is the same one I actually bought for the quinceanera, just on the off chance we didn't have enough slots on that. Turns out, daisy chaining the fans on the radiators gave us the exact amount that we needed. So woohoo! But I do have a small thing that this motherboard is going to have too short, which means I'm going to have to use this one anyways. There is a possibility I may be able to say daisy chain them and connect them all together, but then you start losing control of things. You can't pick fans individually and stuff. This still allows that.